Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power Channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Ngayon pag-uusapan natin about multiplication and division of signed numbers. So again, the term signed numbers refer to positive and negative numbers. So positive number is a number greater than zero. It uses a plus symbol, while the negative number is a number less than zero. It uses a minus symbol. If no sign is shown, the number is considered automatically positive. So yung mga number natin o variables, kung positive sila, gumagamit sila ng plus symbol. At kung mga negative number natin ay or variables ay gumagamit naman ng negative symbol. Kung walang nakalagay na sign, then ibig sabihin yung number na yon or yung variable na yon ay positive. So, punta tayo sa multiplication of signed numbers. The product of two numbers with like signs is positive, and for unlike signs, the result is negative. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron kang positive multiply by positive, the result or the product is positive. Kung pareha silang negative, negative multiply by negative number, so the result will be positive also. In case na unlike signs, so positive multiply by negative, it will be negative, the result is negative. Or negative multiply by positive number, the result is negative also. So let's have practice problems. So multiplication using cross symbol. So 7 times negative 2. So this is unlike sign. So the product will be negative 14. So negative 12 multiplied by negative 10. So like signs. So that will give us positive 120 or simply 120. Negative 16 times 3 will give us negative 48. So 13 times 3, 30 is equals to positive 390 or simply 390. So 36 times negative 4. So this is unlike sign. So this will give us negative 144. We're going to use parentheses as to express multiplication. So negative 12 multiplied by negative 5. So this uh, numbers use like sign. So this will give us positive 60 or simply 60. So negative 7 times 8, that will give us negative 56. 11 or positive 11 multiplied by positive 3. Obviously, that is equals to 33. So 10 multiplied by negative 9, that will give us negative 90. So if we're going to use that as a symbol for multiplication, so 10.8, that will give us positive 80. So negative 7 multiplied by 7, that will give us negative 49. And negative 14 multiplied by positive 3, that will give us negative 42. And negative 4 multiplied by negative 13. So this having like sign or the same sign. So the product is positive 52. So let's now go to division of signed numbers. The quotient of two signed numbers with like signs is positive, and for unlike signs, the result is negative. So just like the procedure in multiplication, for like signs, the result is positive, and for the unlike signs, the result is negative. So kung mag-divide ka ng parehas na positive, the answer is positive. Kung mag-divide ka ng parehas na negative, the answer is still positive. Kung magkaiba ang kanilang signs, then the quotient will be negative. No? So negative divided by positive, that will give us negative. So let's set practice problems for division of signed numbers. 27 divided by negative 9, this will give us negative 3. For problem number 2, negative 32 divided by negative 8. So these uh, numbers have like signs. So our quotient will become positive 4. So negative 36 divided by 9. So unlike sign. So this will give us negative uh, answer. So this will give us negative 4. So 100 divided by 5. So the same positive sign number. So this will give us positive answer of 20. So 12 divided by negative 3. So this will give us negative 4. 144 divided by 12. So that will give us 12. Negative 54 divided by 6. So unlike signs. So this will give us a negative answer, which is negative 9. So negative 63 divided by negative 9. That will give us positive 7. So again, so if we're going to use this last symbol, so 10 divided by negative 5, that will give us negative 2. So negative 24 divided by negative 6, this will give us positive 4. So negative 72 divided by 9, this will give us negative 8. And for number 12, 48 divided by 3, this will give us positive 16. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!